Good day. My name is Lyndon Smith, part-time PDBA student at the Wits Business School, and today we're going to look at profit pools. Profit pools can be defined as the total profits earned at all points along the industry's value chain. Businesses that are able to foresee what other businesses may not will be better prepared to capture a disproportionate share of the industry profits. A profit pool can be referred to as an atom of profit, whereas the whole value chain can be seen as the molecule of profit. Some parts of the value system can be inherently more profitable than others because of the differences in competitive intensity. For example, in the computer industry, microprocessors and software have historically been more profitable than hardware manufacture. The strategic question becomes whether it is possible to focus on the areas of greatest profit potential. The profit pools method is a strategy model that can be used to help managers or businesses focus on profits rather than revenue growth. The concept for the method is to create strategies that result in profitable growth, thus encouraging managers to look beyond revenues in order to understand their industry's profit pool. However simple the concept may seem, the profit pool structure is usually quite complex. The profitability of profit pools will vary across segments of the value chain as well as the individual segment. These variations can be seen in the different customer groups, geographic markets, and distribution channels. The profit pools framework can be used to identify new sources of profit, rethink a company's value chain role, refocus on traditional sources of profit, and make product, pricing, and operating decisions. The first and most readily accessible profit pool is that already addressed by the business, existing profit pools. Here, profit pools are segments of the market already served by the business. The second type, new and chartered, is an increment into the existing business. Here, the business is looking at taking the existing game into a new market segment. Finally, the third type of profit pool, new and uncharted, refers to a move into uncharted areas. Little is known or established before entering these new areas. The goal of an industry map is to understand the current and potential interactions that ultimately shape the sustainable value creation prospects for the whole industry as well as for the individual companies within the industry. Mapping a profit pool involves a four-step process which includes defining the pool's boundaries, estimating the pool's overall size, estimating the size of each value chain activity within the pool, and checking and reconciling the calculations. By introducing additional models and framework to accompany the profit pool analysis, better strategic decisions can be made. The 3 Horizons framework can be used as a supporting framework when using profit pool analysis to make strategic decisions. They help prompt organizations to think of themselves as comprising 3 types of business or activities. Horizon 1 focuses on executing to defend, extend, and increase profitability of existing businesses. Horizon 2 focuses on resourcing initiatives to build new business. Horizon 3 focuses on emerging businesses by uncovering options for future opportunities. By understanding the value chain and value system of a particular industry, companies will have a better grasp of the industries in which they operate. Porter's 5 forces model will help us to identify the attractiveness of industry or market segment by identifying the threat of new entry, buyers' bargaining power, the threat of substitutes, suppliers' bargaining power, and competitive rivalry. Using Michael Porter's 5 forces analysis together with a profit pool analysis will help to identify which industries or market segments to enter or leave, as well as what influence the business has in a particular industry or market segment. In concluding, profit pool analysis can be used as an effective tool in making strategic decisions, provided the company understands its strategic capabilities and the dynamic of the industries and sectors in which it participates. When applying a strategy derived from the profit pool analysis, companies should look beyond the revenues to see the structure of their industry's profit pools and must know where and how the money is being made within that industry. Advantages of profit pools are that they allow companies to find new sources of profit, remodel a company's value chain, and make profitable decisions in terms of product and its operations. It seems that's all we have time for today. Thank you for listening.